Hi guys, and thank you all for tuning into Abandoned Us. Sorry I've been sort of absent lately. Just currently walking up to a house that is clearly abandoned. Don't know too much about it, apart from it's just off a bike path. Looks like a beautiful old place though. Like the eerie feel because a lot of the trees around the area are bare as. Can't see any burn marks yet, but it does look like it could have been a victim of a fire, quite unfortunately. Beautiful old place though, I love the curved windows in it. Gosh, these things are lethal. Horrible. We'll go inside and then work on the perimeter. Wow, okay. There's not much left, man. Let's have a grab photos. Not stable. Okay. Awesome, so perimeter it is, I guess. So if there's any other points where we can sort of get in where things are intact, hey? There's another building at the back. Not too sure exactly what that is. Playing dodge with these trees because you don't know which ones are just, okay like that or these lethal bloody things. Imagine running away from someone in here and running into one of those trees. Place has definitely been abandoned for over a decade. Could have been a basement. Maybe. Not sure. We'll get a photo of this. Wow. Let's see what this building is further out here. There's a machine just here. Brown built, automatic. So it looks like a Westinghouse. It's a toilet. That was definitely a toilet. Cubicles there and some more tiling on the wall over here. Brickwork, man. It's a game of balance. So, there's these ominous piles on the ground. Kind of looks like cow shit, so trying my best to dodge that. Okay, so that's that. Alright, beside the property there's, I don't know, a weird space here, which could have been something. That could have definitely been something. There's some wood to the left of it which just looks like a crate, but then again, oh, a pallet, sorry, not a crate. But then again, it could have been part of some sort of walkway, I'm not too sure. I'm going to show you guys too much. I know where you are, or something, you know what I mean? It's like this tree here and that palm tree is the only living things in this place. Anyway, let's go for one last look around the outside while I get a couple more photos. Sweet. It is winter, so I guess during spring and of course into summer, everything will look really lush. Alrighty, that'd be it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to Abandoned Oz, and also share this video. Link to all your friends and whatnot. It'll be much appreciated. And I'll see you all in the next video. Catch you later. Bye.